What's going on, truck driver? Sometimes you get up here in the north, and your lights will get so dirty from all the smudge. Let me show y'all something real quick. Keep you some windshield wiper fluid on you. Watch this. Look at that. Make sure you're keeping your lights, your mirrors, and everything clean. See how dirty it is? That's just from all the salt and smudges on the road the last few days. Hey, this is Trucking Life with Sean. Subscribe to my channel. If you get some value from this, smash that like button. Let's get it.